A Big House and Its Shadow in a Lane by Makarand Joshi.
Hi, this video gives you insight to the painting process of a landscape with a big house and a narrow lane with major portion of both these elements in shadow.
We begin with the sky. Note that the area I'm working on is pre-wet. I always paint from the farthest to the nearest. In other words, if any of my painting, like this one, includes sky, then I would first go for the sky and then I would come towards the nearer objects, from the background to the middle ground to the foreground. Watercolor painting is all about controlling and handling water efficiently, not just colors, water. You change the angle of your painting and you get a different effect. Now, while painting these areas, I'm simultaneously thinking about the remaining parts of the painting as to how to paint them, like tone wise, color wise, and texture wise. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button. And do not forget to leave a comment below in the comment section. If you like, then yes, definitely. And even if you do not like, or if you do not find this video interesting, still kindly leave a comment. It's going to help me grow this channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button. And do not forget to leave a comment below in the comment section. If you like, well, then definitely. And even if you do not like this video, or if you find this video not interesting, still, I want to know more about your feedback. Or maybe you want to know more about a specific part of this painting or video or the process. So please leave a comment. Generally, I upload a video a week. You'll find many videos painted in different color schemes on my channel. And yes, rural and urban. You'll find both these types here. So do check out these other videos as well. A major portion of this painting is going to be dark, but within that dark portion you'll be able to see variations like a warmer dark and a cooler color, darker but cooler colors. You need to be really extremely careful while painting sharp edges, especially in case wet in wet technique. And now it's time to get a very typical specific watercolor effect. As you can see, I just sprinkled some amount of water in the wet area, and after that I simply use, see over here in the wall and in the street, and I simply use simple tissue paper to lift the color which was still wet, I mean water droplets, and I got this effect. Final outcome. And as usual, a quick recap of the entire process of painting this picture. If you like this video and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Until then, happy viewing and happy painting.